How to get rid of carpetgrass. Carpetgrass is a warm season grass that is common in the southeastern United States, especially in poorly drained soils that are constantly moist. It produces unsightly weeds that resemble crabgrass, and the lawn can appear coarse and unmown. The grass can be advantageous in cool and moist areas where easy cutting is more important than appearance, but many people find the unsightly grass more of a pest than an advantage. Carpetgrass has a number of weaknesses, from sun to salt to drought, and there are a number of ways to eliminate the grass from your lawn. Things you'll need: salt, water, baking soda, bowl or cup, vinegar. Refrain from watering carpetgrass, and expose grass to direct and intense sunlight. Carpetgrass can only grow in exceptionally moist conditions. The sunlight will help to dry the grass. Add 1 cup of salt to 1 gallon of water and water the carpetgrass with this mixture. The salt will dry out the carpetgrass. Carpetgrass will not tolerate salt. Mix baking soda and water together in a small bowl or cup until it forms a paste. The consistency should resemble toothpaste. Apply the paste to any area affected by carpetgrass. The paste will dry out the carpetgrass, but will not harm regular grass or flowers. Apply undiluted white vinegar to the carpetgrass. Use enough to thoroughly soak the carpetgrass. Vinegar will kill the carpetgrass, but will also kill other grass and plants, so use cautiously. Tips: warnings. Carpetgrass will start to die as soon as the weather starts to turn cold. Do not use products like baking soda or undiluted vinegar in areas where pets or children can come in contact with the grass. Neither of these products is completely toxic, but extensive exposure to either can create illness.